In winter, certain frogs freeze solid to endure harsh temperatures. Their bodies stop functioning completely during this freeze. Remarkably, these frogs enter a deep state of hibernation. Their hearts cease beating, and they stop breathing. Internal organs freeze, yet they're protected by natural antifreeze chemicals. These antifreeze proteins prevent cell damage from ice crystals. As spring arrives, the external temperature begins to rise. The gradual warming triggers the thawing process in these frogs. Blood slowly starts to circulate again, organs resume activity. Astonishingly, the frogs regain life as their bodies defrost. Such resilience is a marvel of natural adaptation. This unique survival tactic showcases the wonders of evolution.